I'm trading the 50 largest companies in the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. And you are now looking at the monthly chart. And we can see we have a massive downtrend here for many months. And I have drawn the major value zones or demand zones here, three of them. In this case, we have passed through the last week below this important resistance that we can see. It shoots up good. And also here we have a very strong demand level here as well. And I went in this area very close to this major demand zone here. As we can see, it's aligned with these levels and also here. And we can also see that the RSI is below 30 on the monthly chart. So you can see it has not happened ever before for the last over 20 years. So you can see here, this is 2001, 2000. So this is the first time we are below the RSI 30. And let's have a check on the weekly chart. We can see here, went below RSI 50. They have a positive divergence here. You see this low is higher than this low, but the price is lower than this. So we can have a positive divergence here, and you see the price shoots up. Same here, below 30, went up, below 30 here, went up, below 30 here. And here we can see it took a couple of weeks for a double bottom, almost. And you can see it's a positive divergence here as well. I can show you like this. The price went down, but the volume heading up, so it's a squeeze. So they converts those lines here. They converts, if you draw on this here, all this way, it converts here. So this means that it could be a bullish trade, which you can see that's also happened for many, many weeks, for about 2 years, uptrend. Here as well, we can see positive dividends. Here as well, positive dividends, it goes up. Here the price goes down, it shoots up. So it's too easy to see any positive dividends in this case with the RSI. But most often I don't use the RSI. I'm a price action trader. I don't have any need for it. Let's see how it looks like on the daily chart. Here's the downtrend. I enhance it for you so it's easier for you to see what's really happening. Okay, this is better. I mean, I know that lots of you are using your smartphone, so it's good if I enhance it so everyone can see the chart very clear. So this is the daily chart of the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, the 50 largest companies. And on this daily chart, we can see a massive bearish mother bar. This is a mother bar because we can see that we have inside bars here, 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. This is not an inside bar because it went below the mother bar here, but we have multiple inside bars here. And this is a bearish fakie. The banks and institutions want to go for stop loss hunting here. They find a liquidity pool here. They take your money from the traders, and then they shoots up. So we will see if there will be a trend reversal here. Let's have a look on the 4-hour chart. And before I show you the 4-hour chart, I just want to say that I very often look for false breaks. False breaks like this is a bearish trap, or let's say it's a bullish trap. It's go above here and then trend continuation on the downside. This is very important to look for false breaks, because that's what institutional banks, hedge fund managers do. They want to trick you. Trust me, I know. I am also a hedge fund manager, so I know the tricks. So this is the 4-hour chart, and you can see this is the weekly mother bar I told you about, but now we are looking at the 4-hour chart. So you can see this is a 4-hour hammer with a lovely wick here on the bottom, which is bullish. And as you know, most assets, they turns back, a pullback. So you should always trade the pullbacks for a better risk reward ratio. So I went in here. I have put free trades about it's 12 contracts. So I also went in here for the pullback. I bought here. I also purchased on this level and this level. So I have about 7,000 US dollar in profit here. It's very good money for just a couple of hours. And you can also see that it's almost an mother bar here in the 4-hour chart as well. Well, it's actually not, because you see this wick. So to be very exact, it's not a mother bar, because you see the wick here. But almost, and you can see a lot of inside bars within this structure of the signal bar that is bullish with a tail here on the bottom. Let's have a look on the 1-hour chart, how it looks like. Yes, also a beautiful bullish hammer here. So I can show you my trades. All these orange dots here, that's my stop losses. Here, 3 of them, below this structure here, below this pin. And this one I bought 2 contracts. I put my take profit level at up here. So it was so close. It's so close. It didn't cash in my profits on this risk reward ratio relation 1 to 6 times the money. But I will cash in it, because at this level I have a risk reward ratio of 1 to 5 times my money. That's good enough. Very good, actually. And here we can see I was striving for risk reward relation 1 to 2. Also very close here. So I also happy to receive this 1,006, this 1,600 US dollar in profit. And here we have $3,300 in profit so far. If we look, well, yes, $3,335 in profit. I will cash in that as well. And looking for a minor pullback to purchase around this level, about 151. Sorry, 15,100 level. Okay, I hope you like this video and don't forget to push the subscriber button. I will show you a lot of good trades, how you can get at least a return on your investment annually of 100%. I usually double my profits, my asset portfolio every 12 months. So I have a return on investment of 100% per annum. So it's very few in this world who have that profit annually every year. So don't forget to like this video and take care. Happy trading.